Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the JBL Earbuds case if it is lost in 2026. So first of all, you need to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Inside it, you need to look for the JBL Earbuds and check the last connected location or the time. This is going to give you the rough idea of where you might have left the case. Now you need to think back to that location and you need to search there first. Now, if your earbuds supports it, you can use a companion application to play a sound on the earbuds. Even though the case itself doesn't have tracking, the earbuds can help you locate the nearby area. So you can then follow the sound to find where the case might be. You can also go through the places you have recently visited. You can check your bags, your pockets, your car seats, and the charging areas. Most cases are found in the places you use frequently. Also, take your time and check carefully. Now, if you still can't find it, you may need a replacement charging case. Just make sure that you get a case that matches your exact JBL model. Otherwise, it may not work properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.